Have you ever wondered how to move silently through the wilderness without alerting animals? Welcome to the fascinating world of stealth and animal behavior, where understanding and mimicking the natural rhythms of the wild can turn the crunch of leaves beneath your boots into the whisper of wind through the trees. It all begins with understanding the science of animal behavior. Animals are hardwired to respond to stimuli in their environment. A sudden movement, an unfamiliar sound, a strange smell, these can all trigger alarm bells in an animal's brain. But by minimizing our impact on the environment, we can slip unnoticed through the wilderness. Firstly, consider the visual impact. Animals have evolved to detect movement. A deer, for instance, can pick out the slightest twitch in the undergrowth. To evade detection, mimic the slow, deliberate movements of the natural world. Imagine you're a part of the landscape, moving as the wind moves the leaves or the water flows down a stream. Next, let's focus on auditory stealth. The forest is never truly silent. There's the rustle of leaves, the call of birds, the trickle of a stream. These are the sounds of the wilderness, the white noise that animals tune out. By stepping lightly, breaking twigs slowly, and moving with the rhythm of the natural sounds around you, you can blend your noises into this ambient soundtrack. Then there's the olfactory aspect. Animals have an incredibly keen sense of smell. They can detect the faintest whiff of a foreign scent and identify it as a potential threat. To minimize your scent, avoid strong-smelling foods, soaps, and perfumes. Use natural, unscented products and, if possible, mask your scent with the smells of the environment, like pine needles or earth. Lastly, understand the animals you're trying to evade. Every species has its unique behaviors, senses, and patterns. The more you know about the wildlife in your area, the better you can adapt your stealth techniques to suit them. In summary, moving silently through the wilderness is an art that combines knowledge, patience, and respect for the natural world. By minimizing your visual, auditory, and olfactory impact, you can blend seamlessly into the environment, observing animals in their natural habitat without disturbing their routines. It's a skill that takes practice, but with time and dedication, you can master the art of stealth in the wild. Understanding and respecting animal behavior is not only beneficial for observing wildlife or hunting, it's also a step towards a more harmonious coexistence with the natural world. As we learn to move with the rhythms of the forest, to blend in rather than stand out, we begin to see nature not as a separate entity, but as an integral part of who we are. And in doing so, we can foster a deeper connection with the world around us. Remember, the wilderness is a shared space. Let's tread lightly, move gently, and respect the rhythms of the wild. After all, we're just visitors here.